Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 9.5 question number 1. Question number 1 you see here is use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. Number 1 is here you see. Number 1 is this is number 1. Number 1 is given as x plus 3 x plus 3 into x plus 3 into x plus 3. We will use this identity that a plus b whole square a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We'll use this identity, right? Here you can write here as x plus 3 x plus 3 whole square. If we use this identity, we'll get x square plus 2ab 2 into a into x into b is 3 plus 3 square. Then we are getting x square plus 3 to the 6 x plus 3 to the 9. This is the answer of question number 1, right? We'll solve question number 2. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. 2y plus 5. We'll use this identity that a plus b whole square a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now you can write this way that 2y plus 5 whole square. Applying this identity a square, that means 2y whole square plus 2ab plus 2 into a is 2y into b is 5 plus b square, that is 5 square, that is equal to 22, that is 4, 22, that is 4, y into y square plus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20, 20y plus 5 5 is 25 plus 5 5 is 25. This is the answer of question number 2, right? Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. If we multiply, then we will get the value as 2a minus 7 whole square. We'll apply this identity, that is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We apply this identity, therefore we are getting 2a whole square minus 2ab, 2 into ab, a means 2a and b means 7 plus b square is 7 square. Therefore, we are getting 2 to the 4. A into a is a square minus 2 to the 4. 4 7 is 28 minus 28 a plus 7 7 is 49. 49. This is the answer of question number 3. Let's solve question number 4. Let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is 3a 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2, or you can write it here as 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. We'll apply this identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? That we are getting as 3a square minus 2ab. 2a means here it is 3a and b is 1 by 2 plus b square 1 by 2 whole square. That means we are getting 3 3 is 9, a square minus this 2 and this 2 will cut, minus 3a plus 1 by 4. That is the answer of question number 4. Answer is 9 a square minus 3a plus 1 by 4. Now we solve question number 5. Here you see question number 5 is question number 5, that is 1.1 m 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m minus 0.4, or you can write it here as 1.1 m minus 0.4 whole square. We'll apply the identity as a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We apply this identity. Therefore, we are getting 1.1 m whole square, there is a square, minus 2ab 2 into 2ab 2 into a is 1.1 m into b is 0.4 plus 0.4 whole square, right? So we are getting, if we multiply 1.1 with 1.1, we are getting, multiplying 1.1 with 1.1, 1 it is 1 it is 1 to 1 1 to 1 point will be here, that is 1.21 1.21 m square minus if we multiply this one, this is plus, that means we will apply this one. Again we are, this is actually plus, this is not minus. Again writing this formula as plus, this is plus, then we are again doing the same problem again, that is question 5. It is actually plus. We have done wrong here. Let us do question number 5. Question number 5 is 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. That means we will apply this identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Right? Then we will get this value, that a square minus b square, that is 1.1 m whole square minus 0.4 whole square. That we are getting 1.1 into 1.1 is 1.21 m square minus 4 4 is 16, that is 0.16. That is the answer of question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.